How are you? Okay, so we are here in our second session, live session, talk with Shashi, the runner girl. Do you have any questions for me today? Okay, how to train to run 10 kilometer being a beginner? Okay, guys, if you have been following me in the YouTube, you must have seen that I am training my NCC girls, the girls of my unit. They were pure beginners. I started their training on 26th of August. And after nearly 9 days of training, they ran the first 10 kilometer of their life. That was the longest run they did on 3rd September. So in just 9 days, they made this progress. So you too can run 10 kilometer. It's not a big issue. But remember, don't try to run very fast if you're a beginner. Like I always tell you people, before starting to run, you should try walking. Walk fast walking. Walk for a couple of weeks. Try to walk as fast as possible. Initially for 30 minutes. Then increase it to 40 minutes. Then 50 minutes and 1 hour. If you can walk really well for 1 hour, like if it has been 2 weeks of walking for 1 hour, then your body is ready for running. And how to start running, I'll tell once again to all of you. Firstly, walk for 10 minutes as fast as possible. Then start jogging. When you're jogging, keep your mouth open, keep breathing from your mouth and nose both. Some people think that we should not breathe from our mouth when we run. That's not true. You see, when you are jogging or running, you need more oxygen. So if you breathe both from your mouth and nose, you're getting more oxygen. So it is more helpful. So okay, like I told you, warm up your body by walking for 10 minutes. After that, start jogging. Now jog as long as you can. Once you feel like you are getting tired, fatigued, then switch to walk. And keep walking till you are fully recovered. You feel normal and you don't feel exerted or fatigued. And then start jogging again. So you have to keep switching between walking and jogging till the time you should initially do this whole thing for 30 minutes. Then increase it to 40 minutes, 50 minutes and 1 hour. Now, during this process, you will observe as you keep practicing, you will be less tired and you will be able to run for long and you wouldn't have to switch so many times to walking. And a time will come when you would be able to jog for 1 whole hour without switching to walking. You understand? So this should take nearly 1 month. Yeah, 1 month to 1.5 months it takes. But, don't give up. Keep walking and running every day. Go out and do this exercise which I have told you, and also watch a video which I have made in YouTube about how to start running. That one is in Hindi, but whatever I've told you in English, it is the same thing. So this is how you can start. And doing 10 kilometer is not difficult. When you're doing your first 10K, don't be very obsessed about the speed. For example, see, doing your first 10K is it gives you a tremendous feeling, because 10K, even I'm a runner, I run every day. Even for me, 10K is a good workout. I won't undermine 10K. 5K for me is very easy, but for 10K I have to really exert, even after being an experienced runner. So if you do your first 10K, whenever you are able to do that, it is a good achievement for all of you. And you should not be very obsessed about the speed. Just try to jog for 5 kilometer, and after that switch between walk and jog, and somehow complete 10 kilometer. Once you have done that, your first 10K, that will give you some confidence. Then gradually you can improve on that. Slowly a time will come with practice when you will be able to run 10 kilometer without switching to jog. So I hope whatever I told you is helpful. So any other question, guys? Last time during our chat session, someone asked a question which I couldn't answer during the chat session. The question was, someone asked me, I'm underweight, can I still run? I'll answer this question now. Yes. Running is such an amazing exercise. It helps overweight people to lose weight, and it also helps underweight people to gain weight. What happens when you are overweight? Running helps you burn calories and it helps you reduce weight. And when you're underweight, running improves your metabolism. So whatever you're eating, it is digested and you feel hungry. It makes you feel hungry, so you eat more food, and somehow your weight is balanced. Okay. So I can see a lot of people have joined me. But guys, thank you. Hello. Please go ahead of that. You have any questions? Please ask me. I'm here to answer you. Thank you very much. Somebody is wishing me all the best for 100 kilometer. I am training very hard for 100 kilometer, and tomorrow I'm going for 30-kilometer run in the hills. And if you want to ask me anything about how to prepare for 100 kilometer, you can ask me that question. Nobody is asking anything. Why? मैम कंटिन्यूस रनिंग नहीं हो पाती. ओके. ये हुएवर इज आस्किंग मी कंटिन्यूस रनिंग नहीं हो पाती. आपने कोशिश किया रन करने का? कितना रन कर लेती हो आप? कितनी देर तक कर पाती हो? बता सकते हो? हाँ. हाउ कैन आई रन कंटिन्यूसली विदाउट वॉक? It will take time. It will not happen in a day. It should take at least 2 to 3 weeks time to be able to walk, without switching to, to be able to run continuously for 1 hour without switching to walk. But you should not give up. You should hold on. You should every day practice, 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 practice. That's it. This is something you cannot learn by theory. This is something to be learned by practicing. I already told you. पहले वार्म अप करो बॉडी को, थोड़ी देर वॉक करो. जब थोड़ा बॉडी हीट अप हो जाए तो धीरे धीरे जॉग करो. तब तक जब तक कि सांस ना फूलने लगे, जब तक थकने ना लगो. जब सांस बहुत भारी हो जाए, थक जाओ, अब लगे कि अब तो नहीं दौड़ सकते, तो फिर वॉक करो. और वॉक तब तक करो जब तक कि सांस एकदम नॉर्मल ना हो जाए. सांस एकदम नॉर्मल हो जाएगी, आप नॉर्मल फील करोगे, हार्ट बीट भी थोड़ा लो हो जाएगी, तो फिर दौड़ना शुरू करो. और दौड़ते रहो जब तक कि फिर से सांस फूलने ना लगे. इस तरह से दोनों के बीच में स्विच करते रहना है. और 2 या 3 हफ्ते के बाद आप ऐसा टाइम आएगा जब आप बहुत देर तक आप दौड़ पाओगे. आपको स्विच नहीं करना पड़ेगा वॉक में, लेकिन आपने गिव अप नहीं करना है. डेली प्रैक्टिस करना है. प्रैक्टिस, प्रैक्टिस, प्रैक्टिस. शॉर्टकट नहीं है. रनिंग इज नॉट ईजी. बिकॉज रनिंग इज नॉट ईजी, it is so charming, so challenging, so beautiful. Running is attractive. Why? Because everyone cannot run. Do you see many people running out? You will see a lot of people walking. पर कितने लोग रन करते हैं? ज़्यादा लोग रन नहीं करते हैं. क्योंकि रनिंग करने के लिए मेहनत करनी होती है. रनिंग करने के लिए उसकी कीमत अदा करनी पड़ती है एक रनर बनने के लिए. तो वो आप तब कर पाएंगे जब हिम्मत ना हारो. बस तय कर लो, आई हैव टू डू इट, आई एम गोना डू इट. एंड देन प्रैक्टिस करके वो आपको खिताब मिलता है जब आप कहते हो कि आई एम अ रनर. यू सी, आई एम एन एनसीसी ऑफिसर. बट वो कहने में भी मुझे ज़्यादा खुशी मिलती है जब मैं बोलती आई एम अ रनर. बिकॉज रनिंग इज समथिंग एवरी डे I am working hard to be. I am an NCC officer. That I am. That is a rank, appointment, designation which I have earned, and it is going to stay with me. But running is such such a title I have, which I have to work every day to maintain. If I stop running, I am no longer a runner. You understand? तो ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके लिए बनाए रखने के लिए मुझे डेली मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. तो मुझे इसकी वैल्यू पता है और मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील होता है कहकर कि मैं एक रनर हूँ. Okay, somebody is asking me, tell us about the role of diet and what sort of food, vegetarian food can we consume. I always tell people that eat घर का खाना, eat normal खाना. If you don't eat, pizza, burger, chow mein, samosa, jalebi, barfi, या whatever जो बाहर मिलता है, if you quit that altogether and you eat simple homemade food which is cooked in your kitchen by you or by your mother, if you consume that food alone, और उसमें आपको डाइटिंग नहीं करनी है, उसमें डाइटिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं, घर का खाने में यू डोंट हैव टू डू एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ डाइटिंग। लेकिन मिठाइयाँ, बाहर से आया हुआ खाना, उसको अगर आप क्विट कर दो तो यू विल बी अ हेल्दी पर्सन। और फिर आपको ये सोचना नहीं है कि मैं 2 रोटी खाऊं कि 1 रोटी खाऊं। आपको भूख लगी, आप 4 रोटी खाओ। आपको पता है मैं 4 रोटी खाती हूँ। मेरा वेट 50 kg है, बट आई ईट 4 चपातीज, और उसके बाद आई ईट 1 बिग बोल ऑफ राइस ऑल्सो, एंड आई ईट 2 स्पून्स ऑफ घी। आई ईट अच्छे से, बट आई ईट ओनली होम मेड फूड। बट एवरी डे मिनिमम 10 किलोमीटर आई डेफिनेटली रन, मिनिमम 10 किलोमीटर। और जिस दिन मेरा कम हो जाता है किसी भी रीज़न से, आज क्या हुआ, मॉर्निंग में आई हैड टू वेक अप एट 4:15 AM, बट अलार्म लगाते समय मैंने 16:15 का लगा दिया, इवनिंग वाला, वो मेरे को रियलाइज़ नहीं हुआ, तो आई वोक अप लेट हो गई। तो फिर आई गॉट बिजी विद द ब्रेकफास्ट। मुझे सुबह सुबह रन करना पड़ता है, आई डोंट गेट टाइम अदरवाइज। सो आई वोक अप एट 5:30, तो आई वॉज बिजी विद द ब्रेकफास्ट, अदर स्टफ। Then I went for running at 10:30 AM. It was very hot at that time, but I am very disciplined. करना है तो करना है। In the heat, I went out and I completed my 10 kilometer. अगर मैं नहीं कर पाती किसी रीज़न से, 8 ही कर पाती, तो मैं क्या करती, नेक्स्ट डे 12 करती। सो यू हैव टू बी डिसिप्लिन्ड, डिसिप्लिन रखना है तभी हो पाएगा। एंड मेरी तरह आई वॉन्ट टेल दैट यू ऑल्सो रन 10 किलोमीटर, नो। You are a beginner, you start with walking, start with 5 kilometer, और जब आप 10 में भी पहुंचोगे, you can do like this, run for 5 kilometers and walk for 5 kilometers. But जो आपने फिगर बनाया है पर डे का, you should stick to that. Run and walk together are equally effective. See, it is equally effective. Don't undermine the value of walking. Walking is good. You know, I have some friends who are so good a walker, they can beat runners. Like I have one friend who can walk 8 kilometers in an hour, which is a very good pace. You will see it is like running only, but he doesn't run. He just brisk walks. If you can do that, you can reap the same benefits out of walking as one does from the running. So, since I'm not getting any more questions, I'll say bye-bye to you. It was nice chatting with you. Yes, somebody's asking, can we lose weight with walking? With walking, it will take more time. Running will help you lose weight faster. But if you want to lose weight with walking, then you will have to do some other workout at home. Like there are some, we call it high intensity interval training, HIIT. I have made a couple of videos on HIIT home workouts. Those videos are available in my YouTube channel. Otherwise, you can search in internet. There are a lot of videos. So you need to do some workouts, some exercises at home, HIIT exercises. If you do those for 20 minutes at home and also do walking, then it will really help you lose weight. Otherwise, walking alone will take longer to lose weight. All right, I'll make a video soon about nutrition. Yes, I'll cover it. Is very much in my mind and I'm going to do it. Okay guys, it's time to say bye-bye now. Nice chatting with you and we'll meet again.